Hello, today I'll be showing you how to implement day and night cycle into a Roblox game. So in Roblox Studio, under the Explorer tab, you will find Server Script Service and then click on the plus icon and open up script. As always, in the description there will be a script that you need to paste in, and here you can edit these numbers to change the day and night duration. I will be leaving it like this. Then you can go back to the base plate and click play. Once you have loaded it, you can see that the day and night cycle has been implemented. That'll be all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.